may look upon it as something that grows, and the two processes are quite different. When you make something, you put it together, you assemble parts, or you carve an image out of wood or stone, working from the outside to the inside. But when you watch something grow, it works in an entirely different way. It doesn't assemble parts. It expands from within and gradually complicates itself, expanding outwards, like a bud blossoming, like a seed turning into a plant.
We all want success. But why do so many people fail? Maybe it's because we are too focused on our habits, strategies and deadlines. So caught up that we can't even stop for a moment and take a deep breath. Look, when I hear the word origin, then I think of a deep connection. The deep connection to nature. But nature is more than just a sensitive ecosystem. It gives us water to drink, pure air to breathe, food, animals, plants, land to stay. We should fully enjoy the nature without disturbing its ecological balance. We should care on nature. We should shelter it.
Don't hurry anything. Don't worry about the future. Don't worry about what progress you're making. Just be entirely content to be aware of what is.